A guide by rankedseo.com. Follow these steps to get a do-follow backlink from a Domain Authority 70 website for free. Open the browser, and open the website URL, https://app.roll20.net. Now, click on Create an account. Fill up the required details one by one, accept the terms, and click the Create an Account button. Click on Get Started button, and see the steps. Now, click on the menu, and click on My Profile. Mouse over the Bio section, and click Add Info with Links. And, click Save Changes. Now, copy the profile link, and open in the browser, to check the backlink. That's it. Visit the website Ranked SEO for 1000 plus step-by-step backlink guides. Use the code YouTube for a 10% discount.